Hello everyone, I give you one video on each Saturday about chart pattern. Today I am going to give you triangle pattern. Triangle pattern is also a continuation pattern. Before getting delayed, I am just sharing my mind map and requesting to all of you, please press the like button. Thank you. Triangle patterns. There are three types of triangle patterns. One is symmetrical triangle, second is ascending triangle, and third is descending triangle. Actually, triangle pattern is a types of continuation pattern. I have already discussed about two other types of continuation pattern. One was flag pattern and second was pennant pattern. Please comment below about your understanding for flag pattern and pennant pattern. Thank you. Now understand what is symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangle look like this. Share price was in uptrend. Due to profit booking, it starts moving down. Here, support, moving upside. Again, selling pressure, moving down. Again, getting support, moving up. And when you draw a trend line from the resistance and one trend line from support, then you will get this kind of picture. This is symmetrical triangle. And whenever it gives you the breakout with high volume, this is the confirmation of symmetrical triangle. It means your uptrend will be continue. The same thing will happen in downtrend. Share price in downtrend, it it will be continue in downtrend. This is symmetrical triangle. Now jump to ascending triangle. We understand ascending triangle. Share price was in uptrend, selling pressure moving down. There is support moving up. You can see here resistance is at the same place. This is the horizontal place. Okay, horizontal line. But the support is rising, support is increasing. Okay, here is support, next support is upside from here, but resistance is at the same level and it gives you breakout here with high volume. It means this is the ascending triangle continuation pattern. It means your uptrend will be continue. Opposite of ascending triangle, this is descending triangle. Share price was in downtrend. Here is support, moving upside. Again, selling pressure started, moving down. Support at the same level, but resistance level is decreasing. This is called descending triangle. And here breakout given. So downtrend will be continue. So here are three types of triangle pattern. So this is the third type of triangle pattern. Next Saturday, I will discuss about rectangle pattern and next to next Saturday, I will discuss about cup and handle pattern. Thank you so much to all of you for watching my video. If you found this video useful, please share this video to all your friends. And if you are serious, you want to learn from me live, either online or offline, please message on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is in description box. Thank you so much.